Let me show you how to run a video ad with the new YouTube Promotions tab. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Esatino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so I'm here on our YouTube channel right now, and what you want to do is you want to get to your channel dashboard. So when you are signed in, you can click on the right-hand side, which is your profile, and go to YouTube Studio. This is going to take you here to your channel dashboard. To get to the Promotions tab, click on Content or Videos, and then you'll get to the Promotions tab. Right now, they're still testing this out, so it is in beta. Let's click on the Promotions tab. So you can see here that I've already have a bunch of ads that I've previously ran, and I have one active right now. I'm gonna have a video pop up on the screen here. This is a video talking about the results that we've had so far with the Promotions tab, and why I actually like it, and why I'm going to continue to be using it. The link for that will be down in the description below. My advice to you is to only run this video ad promotion on videos that are actually going to get you something in return. So for me, for example, these videos right here, you can see 3 of them are the same, and there's this other one right here. So essentially it's two videos right now. And I specifically chose these 2 kinds of videos because this one right here, for example, it is promoting an affiliate program. There's a software that we're talking about, and at the end we talk about, you know, if you want to get this kind of software, here's our affiliate link. It also promotes our design services and course creation services. So if people want to get a website designed by us or a course created by us using the specific software, it's also selling that as well. So it's essentially selling 3 things. This one right here is promoting an affiliate program, again, to this other website. So I'm putting in money, ad dollars, in hopes to get more back. So I wouldn't personally waste this on a vlog video. It's just my 2 cents. All right, so let's click on new promotion to create a new promotion. Now YouTube has done a really good job with making this very simple to do and very simple to run an ad. So right here they're asking you, which video do you want to promote? Select a video from your channel. So I'm gonna click add. That's another thing that I like about this is you can actually select a video from your already uploaded videos. You don't need to create a new video asset. So you can either just scroll through and find the video, or you can type into the search bar the title of your video. So I'm just gonna scroll through, and it's gonna be this video right here. So if the screen turned darker, I apologize. I'm not sure why YouTube does that. I think there's a glitch going on. All right, so now we've chosen the video. So I'm going to click on Edit Promotion, Headline and Description to see if we want to change anything. And you can see here that the title is too long from the original title, so I'm going to shorten it. So it says here, make money on Amazon filming 30-second videos, no selling, editing, or being on camera. So I'll probably delete this part right here. Also, another thing to note, if you have emojis in your title, it doesn't like that and you'll get an error. I'm going to leave this the same here. And if you scroll down, it says where it appears. The video will be placed among other videos on the YouTube app home feed, YouTube search results, and YouTube watch next. So I'm going to click next. Next is the countries for your promotion. Now you want to be strategic with this. So, you know, it depends where you are in the world and what you've got going on. So I'm going to click X on this. So again, if you are speaking a different language, if you are speaking Chinese, if you are speaking in Hindi, you know, you definitely want to choose the appropriate countries that speak those languages. You can also click this here, show to viewers who speak these languages. So I'm going to type in English. All right, so I'm good with the countries. I'm going to click next. And then here is the budget. So I'm going to change this to $100. I typically test it out with $100. You can go less, you can go more. When you go less than $125, it does this. Promotions with a budget of at least $125 tend to have a better performance. You know, they obviously want you to spend more, but I have found success with testing out at 100. But again, you can put any total that you want. I'm not sure what the lowest amount is. Next is the end date here. So they typically do like a 2-week thing. You can choose for it to go longer or shorter. I have it go with whatever they choose. I'm okay with that. Once you filled out everything, click the promote button. So now you can see that in the promotions tab, I've got this video pending. So it does need to be approved by an actual person at YouTube. And so far, all of my videos have gotten approved, no problem. Once it gets approved, then it goes into active, and then you'll see these numbers change. So you can see that on this promotion, we've spent $71.99 so far. The promotion impressions have been 51,596. An impression means that your video showed up on a person's screen. They may or may not have seen it, but it was somewhere on their cell phone screen, computer screen. So far, I've gotten 318 promotion views and 41 promotion subscribers. Now, for me personally, because I'm more interested in making an affiliate sale or getting a high-end customer or client, I'm not really too focused on promotion views or promotion subscribers. For example, on this ad that we ran here, it had 407 views, 64 subscribers, but we got a couple of high-end clients that spent $1,000 with us. So to me, these numbers aren't my focus. I'm focused on getting, that one client that's going to spend $5,000, $10,000 with us. So again, I would only do this on very specific videos, the best videos that you've got that are going to be promoting something, selling a product or service, so that, you're spending money, but you're also going to get something back. So that is how you easily run a video ad on the new YouTube promotions tab. If you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over 5 figures a month by doing simple tutorials like this, head down to the description as I have a free training for you.